Yubo was designed to enhance the driving and ownership experience, and voice commands are a great way to keep your eyes on the road and hands on the wheel. With Yubo, most functions can also be operated by your voice. In this video, we will cover the basic operation of voice commands. For best results, make sure that you close the windows and the sunroof to minimize interior noise. You can access voice commands from the All Menus screen. Or you can also access voice commands by pressing the talk button on the steering wheel briefly, then wait for the sound of the beep.
Please say a command.
Call Lisa Smith.
Calling Lisa Smith.
You'll also notice that the touchscreen shows frequently used commands, and the little speaker icon on the screen changes into a microphone to indicate that it's ready for your command. If the system doesn't recognize your voice command, you can always ask for help, and Yubo will display some available voice commands. Then just say the name of the desired selection.
Please say a command.
Help.
Here are some available commands. Please say or select one.
If you press the mic icon on the right side of one of the selections, this will display helpful voice recognition and voice command information. Just press the X to go back.
Here are some available commands. Please say or select one.
If you would prefer to end voice recognition and resume touchscreen operation, there are several different ways to accomplish this. You can press Exit at the bottom left of your touchscreen. You can press and hold the talk button on the steering wheel. And you can press the End Call button on the steering wheel. Or you can say Exit after the system prompt.
Please say a command.
Exit.
Exiting voice recognition.
These are just the basic operations for your Yubo voice command system. The more you use the system, the more it becomes a natural part of the Kia driving experience. For more information, check your car multimedia system user's manual or the Quick Start Guide hang tag that came with your new Kia. Thanks for watching.